Hi, I'm RC Jim, and here we have for you today the Seagull Super Decathlon, 2-meter wingspan, flown by Ty at the Central Coast Model Aero Club in New South Wales, Australia. Now, this particular plane is powered by a Surpass C5065 motor with 435 kV, 100 amp ESC, 6S 5000 milliamp hour battery, swinging an 18 by 10 prop. Ty, as he began flying this plane, had some handling issues with it, and so he decided to put a gyro stabilizer on it. Still had some issues, but then decided to turn off the gyro for the aileron and rudder and just leave it on for the elevator. And he finds that it flies just great that way. Well, let's watch him fly. And yes, he's down on the ground. Well, thank you, Ty, for showing us this great plane. And thank you, Central Coast Model Aero Club, for providing us such a great place to fly them. I'm RC Jim signing off. If you haven't done so already, subscribe and then have a look at this next video. I think you'll find it quite helpful and interesting. Have a great day and enjoy your flying.